Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. In today's tutorial I will show you how to synchronize your Mendeley Desktop with Mendeley Reference Manager cloud version. So it is known that since September 2022 it is not possible to download and install Mendeley Desktop in any machines. So if you have any machine or a computer, then if you want to download Mendeley Desktop, just now it is not possible to download Mendeley Desktop. Rather, you have to download this Mendeley Reference Manager. But Elsevier or Mendeley, the Mendeley is a software from Elsevier, so they introduced that it is possible to use Mendeley Desktop on those devices that it is already installed before, but it is not possible to download it just right now. And they also mentioned that it is also possible to synchronize the old version, which is a Mendeley Desktop, with the new version with Mendeley Reference Manager. So in this tutorial I'll tell you how you are going to synchronize Mendeley Desktop with Mendeley Reference Manager, which means if you have any data here in Mendeley Desktop, you can synchronize it to the cloud version, which is Mendeley Reference Manager. So how you are going to do that? So the first thing what you are going to do is just you have to
Mendeley Reference
install the new version, which is a cloud version of Mendeley Reference Manager. So if you want this full tutorial how to install this cloud version, you can go here, how to use Mendeley in 2024. Full tutorial with examples is there, you can check it. And also this one also here, an updated version how to use Mendeley Reference Manager including web importer. You can check this one. You can how to download it and use it. You'll find it from here. So after downloading this Mendeley Reference Manager, which is this one, the latest version, then you can synchronize with the old version Mendeley Desktop. So the other point is the same email address that you were using to open Mendeley Desktop will be used to install Mendeley Reference Manager. Then it is possible to synchronize both of them. So what you are going to do, just I'll show you. This is Mendeley Desktop and this is Mendeley Reference Manager. So first let me open Mendeley Reference Manager. As it is shown from the heading, it says Mendeley Reference Manager. So this one is the cloud version, which is the latest version. The cloud version has three things. The first one, this Mendeley Reference Manager, this window. The second one, if you open here and go here, you'll find Mendeley Web Importer. And the third one, if you open your Word document, you will find it in the reference section, which is the Mendeley Cite. You see, go to reference. If you go to this reference section, you'll find Mendeley Cite here. But the desktop version, let me open this one. This is the desktop version. Let me open it. As it is shown, when you open the desktop version, just it will request you email address and password. You have to provide that one. You see, when you provide your email address and password, it will open it like this. You see, this is as a heading Mendeley Desktop. This one is Mendeley Reference Manager. So this one is the cloud or web version. This one is only local, which is dependent on your local computer, which is it is based on the data available on your PC. So as it is shown here, you can also read here seamlessly translation to the new Mendeley Reference Manager today. Your data is secure and your library will remain intact. Plus, syncing happens automatically. Try it out today, it says. So you see, this is old one, this is a new one. All references here as is displayed here. So what you are going to do, how you are going to synchronize these two things. So I'll show you one sample. Let me take this SIM1 paper here. You see it is here now. It is painted blue because it is newly added reference. So it is here, but it is not reflected there. So what you are going to do, you have to choose this reference, then you have to go here and choose sync. Then automatically it must be displayed here. Let me go and click here. First you have to choose, as it is shown here, it is blue painted, so which means it is chosen. So I'll choose this one, then sync. You see now, it is displayed here. You see, so you have to use this method to synchronize your Mendeley Desktop with Mendeley Reference Manager. If you have multiple references here in this Mendeley Desktop, you have to choose like Ctrl+A and you have to choose Synchronize. So all the references will be exported to this Mendeley Reference Manager, because this they stopped supporting after September 2022. Already installed machines can be used. This can use this Mendeley Desktop, but there is no any update or any support in this Mendeley Desktop. So you have to export your files to this Mendeley Reference Manager by using this method. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.